Hey creative entrepreneurs, it is me, Dee, owner of 2D FilmWorks, and I'm here to tell you all about what exactly a content studio is. A content studio is exactly what it sounds like. It is a designated space for entrepreneurs, brands, influencers, creators, photographers, videographers, podcasters, you name it, to come create, stage, and produce their content. Now, what makes a content studio a little bit different from your traditional photography studio or even your traditional music production studio or art production or art space studio is that a content studio does not just cater to one type of creative vehicle or media type. What makes it different is that while photography studios have the luxury of being outfitted just for photographers, or music production studios have exactly what you need to record music or even podcast, a content studio kind of encompasses all of those things in one space. And the benefit of that is you get the versatility. The multiplicity, the amenities, all the ease. You get all of those things in one space for you to create whatever you need for your media, for your website, for your podcast, for your social media, even for your YouTube. Heck, I am in my content studio right now recording this video. So when we think about a content studio, we're really thinking about a multi-set flexible space where you can create a variety of things and really capitalize on what you're renting out. And that is wonderful for influencers of all types, for creators, for photographers who may have a lot of different types of clients, even those who have brands that sell products or provide services to people. You really want to look for a space that has the amenities of all that you need, and the flexibility of space without compromising in quality, without compromising in, well, I need audio too and the visual. And so you get that in a content production studio. And that is exactly what we do here at 2D FilmWorks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more information when it comes to content studios, how to build one, how to invest in one, how to use one. We're going to be diving all into that, and you'll even meet my husband, who is my business partner, right here at 2D FilmWorks channel. See you guys later.